Alright then, YouTube. I just got this in the mail. Ordered from eBay. New. And everything. Hold on. Let me just open it real quick and I'll show you how it looks. This is a Soundstream bx-10x. So, just hook it up, open it, and see how it looks like. Instructions, I guess. Bass remote, bass knob. Yep. The power, some bolts, and there it is. The prize. Just got it. Got the wide, the sweep, what hertz type you want it, 35, 50, and 80, the outputs, and balance inputs, the dash remote, 12 volt remote and ground, and it looks beast. Packing peanuts. Oh yeah, I'll be making a video of the hookup later. Sorry, just burped.
Part 2?
So yeah, part 2 of this installation. My brother right there. And me.
Why you show yourself?
Well, like I said, I'll be making a video of it later. Peace.